Viewers, buckle up. Interview turns sour on TVJ All Angles. To be honest, this wasn't an interview, it was a courtroom without a judge. Paula Llewellyn, the former DPP, stepped in with that big boss energy. Dionne Jackson Miller, cool and sharp. It had people wondering, is this All Angles or Law & Order, Jamaican edition? But here's where it got spicy. Paula leaned heavy on dominance, confident, firm, trying to command the stage. But Dionne, she's no rookie. This wasn't just journalism, it was chess, not checkers. Every move Paula made, Dionne countered. The tug of war had everyone on edge. Was Paula defending her legacy or reminding us she's still the big dog in the yard? Was Dionne just asking questions or re-establishing herself as the fearless lawyer journalist we all know?